Hello everyone, welcome to Bangkok. I've safely arrived here at my hostel for tonight, Speck Bangkok. I'm going to give you a little room tour as per usual. So this is the walkway when you first enter, and on my left, okay, this is where the toilet is. So let's go in. Okay, a very standard wash basin that is pretty deep. Very nice mirror with lighting. They actually provide you with all the towels and face towel. Of course, this is for the floor. And as we walked in, standard shower, okay, and hair and body wash, pretty standard, and so far I think it's pretty clean as well. Okay, let's move on to the main bedroom itself. As you can see over here, pretty chic and contemporary kind of look. What I really love about this is, they have all these hangers over here. Wow, cleverly placed here with the design that is incorporated. I do have this at home too. I think this is from Xiaomi hairdryer. Okay, a box of tissue, and this is the bed itself. Whoa, pretty big. They have a little, study table here with an extra chair if you have 2 person in the room itself. Not sure what is this. I think it could be a lamp, but I don't know, or is it for decoration? Tell me, someone. And of course the TV itself. Okay, so that's about it. There's a little platform here, so you can just tap on it as you move to the bed itself. So, what do you guys think of this room? Guess how much I paid? 55 Singapore dollars for one night stay. It is essentially a hostel, but they do have like single rooms itself. So, given the price, I think it's quite worth it, isn't it? So this is for the first night. I do have another booking at another place in day 2. So stay tuned for the room review. A bit hungry now, so I should just quickly settle in, and then I shall head out for so-called the dinner itself. Okay, see you. Wow, it's pretty amazing. The street is full of Japanese stores, pubs, and all. Quite crowded, even at this hour. Just stepped into M Quarter. Haven't been to this mall before. I think most of the stores are closed already, but it's just too warm outside. I need to get some aircon and hopefully can find some things to eat. Should I try this? Wow! Waterfall, very nice fiasco, outdoor sitting. Oh, my favorite Arabica. Woo. It's like gourmet market with all the food, I guess. Let's see what they have. All the little eateries. And they also have a supermarket. you.
Thank you.
Getting my favorite drink. I've ordered tom yum soup with crab fried rice. Wow, what a long wait, but let's tuck in. Okay, so this is the crab fried rice. It's really nice, very flavorful. Even though I waited so long for it, right? It's still warm. Let's try the tom yum soup. Very good. Happy morning from Bangkok, day 2. Now I'm going to look for a place for breakfast. Have a quick bite before I check out. Let's go, let's go. Fried chicken. Okay, I'm waiting for this to be opened. I want to try their coffee.